Hello! So, I want to show you a few ways to change your GoodNotes cover in this video. So here I'm using my 14 tab notebook from one of the other videos. It's a nice and linked notebook and it's got these kind of tabs that you can customize. But let's say you have made your GoodNotes notebook like I did in the start with the basic GoodNotes templates. You've kind of got a style into it, but the template or the cover template just doesn't fit anymore. Like this one. I mean, it's a lovely template, but it just doesn't go with the rest of my bullet journaling and stuff. So I want to change this cover, and there's a few ways you can do this. I will start with the one I like the least. That's navigating. So you can click the image button, navigate to a image file you have saved, and just insert that and then drag it over your existing template. Well, as you can see, this one fits really nicely, but it just, it's not the same size. The dimensions are a little bit different, as you can see, so I'll have to wiggle it around. I'd rather just have it inserted exactly the size it was when I uploaded it. So to do that, we can add a new page. You hit this button over here with the plus sign to add a page. So this is where you can use the default templates or ones you've uploaded yourself if you're a bit more advanced. And you can also use that same image from your image roll by clicking on image and going to recents, and let me click another and insert it that way. If you do that, you can pick if you want it before, after, or on the last page actually. And another way to do this is import. If you click import, it will actually take you to all these locations. So you can choose a file from your iPad, your iCloud Drive, and this is usually where the way you use it if you want to download PDF files instead of image files. You can save it to Dropbox, then upload it from there. I usually have everything in my iCloud Drive, and one of the folders is this. So I really need the elastic band on my cover to keep my digital notes safe. So yeah, let's pick the color that matches the interior of the notebook, because it's one of my color schemes, and this is a matching color scheme to that tab notebook. So I'll pick that one because that's what the tabs are made of. And it will import it again. So now I have multiple covers. Let's see, that's not good. I've got the original, I've got the one I imported through image, I've got the one I imported through files. One thing you may want to look at is sometimes the JPEG image files are less big than the PDF files. So that would be a good reason to use the JPEG. Now, if you want to get rid of the excess covers, you can go to the overview page where you will see every single page in your document. Then click select and select the pages that you want to delete. And click trash. So now I have this cover which matches with the rest of my notebook. Then I also want to add a sticker. So I'll open my files in a layover window. Let's try that again. Split screen window actually. So you can drag it, wait until it moves up, and then put it there. So I've made this video a couple of times because somehow this didn't want to drag. Trust me, there's a way to click it and drag it But when I start making a video, it will just refuse to work and I'll spend ages trying to drag it over. But usually you can click it, drag it over there, just drop it like it's hot. But since I'm very sure that's not gonna work while I'm videoing this, because it never does, I will show you another way. Just hold the one sticker that you like. If you've navigated to it, you can actually copy it. Then here you can paste it, resize it, put it where you want, and you're done. So in this part of the video, actually all my devices started activating Siri. So I think I said something that resembles Siri's wake-up call. I hope this tutorial was useful and that you can now add your own nice covers to your GoodNotes planner. Have a lovely day.